Bunch of carp here, boys. What the?
We're saving Bigfoot.
Look what is happening over here, boys. All right, boys. We got the little headhunter here. Bomber in. Oh, just got demolished. We just need Big Mamba to come in and demolish our baits. Uh-oh. Boys, we just cast it directly up into there on a rock. We're gonna go on a mission now. Forbidden mission. My, oh my. No! We lost it. 1 ounce, I believe. Strike King crawfish on the back. First cast, let's get it. Oh, backlashed. All right, that has good action. Oh yeah, hooked up, first cast. Huge, 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 boys. Peel and drag. Oh, big pike minnow. Big pike minnow, boys. Oh yeah. Let's get him in. Oh, let's go. Demolish that chatterbait. Oh yeah. Oh. Put on your chatterbait, Adam. Yeah, put on your chatterbait. Just demolish that. That did not take long. Let's get her back, boys. All the people that fish here love to kill these because they're invasive species. It's a fish to me. I just let them go. I'm gonna tell them to do a wheelie. Do a wheelie! Oh yeah. We're just going back to our cars and there's a fire truck here.
I wonder why there's a fire truck over here.
There's backlash bad. Bad backlash, boys. Oh. Huge carp. A carp here, boys. What the fuck was that?
We're saving Bigfoot.
Look what is happening over here, boys. Should be deep enough for some heifers, hopefully.
Mine was, but it was not.
Did it really miss that? Boys, I just lost a 3-pounder and my GoPro wasn't even recording. No way. No way. Okay, round 2, boys. This has to end better. Yeah, this has to end better, boys. I just lost a 3-pounder. This one doesn't feel quite as big, but it's still decent. Oh no, maybe he's decent. No! No! Boys! No, that was even bigger, I'm pretty sure. And it went straight in the seaweeds. I should have just kept reeling. I tapped my screen to see if my GoPro was recording. And he dove right in the weeds. Oh my God, boys. That is 2 over 3s I have lost now. Easy over 3s. Adam's got one.
Oh, there it goes.
All the fish we've lost today, boys. All the fish.
Oh my God. Hold
No,
it.
no.
Oh no, don't go, little Jimmy. I'm gonna save you.
Oh, you caught your line. Careful. Your line's wrapped around you.
I got you. There you go. There he is.
There he is.
All right, bye, buddy. Get in the water. Oh no, he fell off when he jumped.
Was it bigger?
It was a big fish.
No. No. It's so dark on the GoPro, I can barely see you. Sit down. Oh yeah.
There he is.
There he is.
There he is. Bro.
Oh, big one. Big one. No. Oh. Oh. He's decent. He's not. Where is he?
Right here. Right here.
Oh, he's not as big as I anticipated, but.
It's a smallie.
There she is.
Yeah.
That's what it felt like.
What the fuck is this?
Seaweed and a fish. I hope.